Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bubble letter sign. This is part of my craft fair video series, and you can see the one I made here for my craft fair booth. To start, use a pencil to make capital letters, leaving large spaces between each letter. So here's a video of me using a pencil to do this. With pencil you can always erase. Next, take a fat black marker and trace around the pencil letter. So again, here I am showing you how I trace around each of those penciled capital letters. Now you fill in the letters with a thick pen's stripe. So I'm actually just using a highlighter pen. This is actually quicker than filling them all in, but it still makes the sign readable from far away. Again, the thickness of the pen tip is nice. If you have two letters that happen to be overlapping, it's a good idea to use two shades of the same color, or even just make each letter a different color. This helps create clarity between those letters as they overlap. Now, if your display happens to go on two sides of the same sign like mine did, and let's say you're using arrows, you need to make sure those arrows point opposite of each other. This is correct for two sides, for example, of a sandwich board. So here's my sandwich board. The arrow points toward my carpet, and the arrow points toward my carpet. So when you lay them flat, they look like they're pointing at each other. Now that's really all there is to a bubble letter sign.